www.gibsontruckworld.com 2008 Ford F-250 Lariat Crew Cab Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive riding on 4 brand new 325 Nittos, under factory warranty through 4/29/14, with backup sensors, adjustable pedals, dual power heated leather memory seating, MP3 player and 6-disc CD changer, wood grain interior trim, power sliding rear window, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, tailgate extender and ladder, towing package and gooseneck hitch with PW, PDL, and PM. Drive into Gibson today and choose from over $7 million in inventory. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our